Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Uthando Nesthembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please, please, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers. Bazalwani Uthando Nesthembu. Can we start with your fave and then nidile nam very fast, right? Umntwana lo Usne has a problem, and her problem cannot be helped by anyone else. We always speak of introspection and how happiness comes from within. So my question is, girl usuka la asuka khona, right? All the way to a vacation. Ukhumbula ukuthi she agreed to uMacelo ukuthi she's gonna go. Only to go there and be miserable. Like, make it make sense. Make it make sense. Like, if I can live here and go to Endao where I'm supposed to have fun, and I'm going with people that I know I don't like, or bazonginyathela amakhona or whatever, or I have an attitude towards them, I'm going to have fun without those people. I'm sure you don't like them. So why must they be a hinder into your happiness? Like, guys, make it make sense. Mina, I still think ukuthi usne is a serious therapy. I think ukuthi usne uthi nguJesu. I think ukuthi usne is introspection njengamampela, because under no circumstances must a person annoy you to an extent yokuthi they take away your happiness, they take away your peace, they take away nje ubuwena. I don't know, I might be wrong, but mina, I will not go on a trip for 3-4 days and be miserable simply because there's somebody that is there that I don't get along with. Noma nganifuni nina, but mina, I'm gonna have fun with the other people that I get along with. I guess she does get along with her dad. She must just go and have fun with Umseleku. While Umseleku is sitting there, not being able to do activities, no, I don't know, but I was just honestly not happy with your fave.